Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is the third video in a new series where I'll walk you through installing different types of virtual machines on VMware Workstation, setting up a virtual LAN, and eventually using Kali Linux for some beginner-friendly penetration testing. In this video, we'll be installing Linux Mint, a free and open source operating system that is based on Ubuntu. Linux Mint is one of the most popular Linux distributions, especially among newcomers, thanks to its focus on simplicity, performance, and out-of-the-box usability. Whether you're switching from Windows or just exploring Linux, Mint offers a smooth and comfortable experience. First, you'll need the ISO, which you can get from the official Linux Mint website. Today, I will be using the Cinnamon edition. Once you have the file, open VMware and click on Create a New Virtual Machine. We'll be doing a typical installation. Browse and find the ISO file that you've downloaded. And we're going to be choosing Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit version. Here you can change the name if you like. We're going to be doing a 20 gig hard drive, and I'm going to select single file for better performance. The network adapter is already at NAT, which allows the virtual machine to access the internet, something we'll need to do later on in the video for system updates. And then just click Finish. And I'm going to power on the machine. And then you're going to start Linux Mint. Okay, now that it is booted up, you're going to click on Install Linux Mint. And here you're going to select your preferred language and the keyboard layout. I'm going to select Swedish and continue. On this page, we're going to select Erase Disk and install Linux Mint, and then Install Now. And continue. And select your time zone. Enter your name and password. Continue. And this is going to take some time, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'll be back when it's complete. Okay, it is finished installing, and I'm going to click on Restart Now. And then click Enter. And now I will log in. And down at the bottom, you can see this prompt for you to click I finish installing when it's complete. Okay, now that Linux Mint has booted to the desktop, we're ready to start using it. You'll see this welcome screen that highlights some of the key features and helpful tools. I recommend taking a moment to read through it. It's a great way to get familiar with what Mint offers and can really help you get started more confidently. Unlike Ubuntu in the last video, there's no need to install VMware tools or Net tools manually. Both come pre-installed with Mint, saving you a few steps. Another nice difference is that you can update the system using a graphical interface instead of relying on the terminal. So let's go ahead and walk through that now. You're going to click on the menu button and then search for Update Manager. Select it. And you can see the Update Manager has opened and there is a new update available. I'm going to click Apply the Update. Okay, and here you can see Install Updates. You just have to click on it. And again, this is going to take some time. So I am going to pause the video again, and I will be back when it finishes installing. And the updates are complete. While it might have seemed like just a second to you, in reality, the process took a few hours. I ran into a persistent network error during the update. After verifying that my internet connection was working fine, I started to suspect that there was an issue with the Ubuntu servers. A quick web search confirmed that the servers were indeed experiencing problems, as you can see in this screenshot. Here, the archive was down and the security was down. This was a great reminder of how important problem solving is, especially when working with Linux or any technical setup. Being able to troubleshoot issues, check assumptions, and do a bit of research can save a lot of time and frustration. And that's it. Linux Mint is now fully installed and updated in your virtual environment. In the next video, we'll install Kali Linux, a specialized Linux distribution designed for cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers, packed with tools for penetration testing and security analysis. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.